You are not mysterious. In a world that thrives on oversharing, mystery has become a rare and powerful trait. It captivates, intrigues, and draws people in, both in real life and online. But becoming truly mysterious isn't about being secretive. It's about mastering the art of subtlety, restraint, and intentionality. In this video, we'll explore 3 key strategies to cultivate mystery in your interactions and on social media. Let's begin. The first step to being mysterious is simple. Say less than you think. In a society that rewards quick opinions and constant chatter, the person who chooses their words carefully stands out. When you speak, ensure your words add value. Avoid over-explaining or filling silences out of discomfort. Silence, when used intentionally, is powerful. Create space for others to wonder what you're thinking. Here's a practical tip. Practice answering questions concisely. For instance, if someone asks about your weekend, don't list every detail. Instead, offer a brief, intriguing response like, "It was interesting. I learned something new." This invites curiosity without revealing too much. In conversations, listen more than you speak. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel heard. By observing and asking thoughtful questions, you maintain control of the interaction while revealing very little about yourself. Social media is where most people lose their mystery. Constantly posting updates, opinions, or every detail of your life dilutes your intrigue. If you want to be mysterious, focus on subtlety and intentionality in your online presence. First, curate what you share. Post sparingly, and when you do, let your content speak for itself. A single, well-thought-out photo or a cryptic caption can say more than an entire photo dump. Avoid oversharing personal details or emotional outbursts. It's more impactful to leave things open to interpretation. Second, engage strategically. Respond selectively to comments or messages. Avoid being overly reactive online. By maintaining a calm and composed demeanor, even in the digital space, you amplify your sense of mystery. Lastly, consider creating some distance between your online persona and your real life. Share glimpses, not the whole story. The less people know about your day-to-day life, the more they'll be intrigued by what lies beneath the surface. Your energy and physical presence play a huge role in how mysterious you appear. Mystery isn't just about what you say or post. It's about how you carry yourself. First, control your nonverbal communication. Make deliberate eye contact, but avoid overdoing it. A brief, piercing glance can be more powerful than holding a gaze for too long. Maintain open but composed body language. Confidence without arrogance. Second, slow down. Speak with measured tones and move with purpose. Rushing conveys nervousness, while calmness signals confidence and depth. Finally, develop an aura of unpredictability. Don't always be available or predictable in your actions. It's as simple as declining an invitation without explanation, or surprising people with an unexpected skill or interest. The goal isn't to be aloof or unapproachable. It's to create a sense of depth that invites others to learn more about you over time. Mystery isn't just a tactic, it's a way of being. It's a declaration that you value depth over surface, substance over noise. And in a world that rewards constant exposure, choosing to be mysterious sets you apart in ways that others can't help but notice. But here's the key. Mystery isn't about being distant or unapproachable. It's about balance. Share enough to connect, but hold back enough to leave others curious. You allow people to see glimpses of who you are while maintaining a depth they'll want to explore over time. Now think about how you can start applying these principles. Maybe it's in your next conversation, choosing to listen more and speak less. Maybe it's in your social media presence, posting something with intention rather than impulsively. Or maybe it's simply in how you carry yourself, walking into a room with quiet confidence and leaving an impression without saying a word. The power of mystery lies in its simplicity. It's not about being complicated. It's about being deliberate. Here's a challenge for you. Over the next week, pick one area of your life, personal interactions, your online presence, or even your physical demeanor, and consciously embrace mystery. Be deliberate with your words, selective with what you share, and intentional with your presence. And remember, this isn't about hiding who you are. It's about cultivating an air of depth that makes others want to know more. If this video resonated with you, take a moment to reflect. What is one habit you can change today to bring more intrigue and intentionality into your life? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps bring more content like this to those who need it. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Until next time, remember, sometimes it's the things we don't say, the parts we don't reveal, that make the greatest impact. Be intentional. Be intriguing. And above all, Stay true to yourself.